Monday, which means you should be hitting legs, quads and calves to be specific, because if you're trying to get that teardrop in your quads, you're gonna need to focus on them. And I won't lie, it will be painful, but it will definitely be worth it. So tag your gym partner down in the comments or share it with them, because they need it, you need it, and as usual, the workout's gonna be fully broken down for you guys at the end. I started with leg press, and since it's a quad focused leg workout, we're gonna be using a different stance than the normal one on the platform. The foot placement is gonna be narrow and lower on the platform, because this is gonna allow you to target the quads more. From here, we're gonna move into an elevated heel, narrow stance Smith machine squat. Any squat targets the quads, but if you really want to focus on them, then elevating your heels is going to allow you to put more emphasis on them. For this one, we're going to be focusing more on our rep speed. A good way to focus on your rep speed is using a count. The goal was to get to the bottom of the squat on a count of 3. From there, I moved into a leg extension superset, where I did single leg, and then I did both legs together. To make the leg extensions a little bit more difficult, I held the weight at the top of the movement for about 3 seconds, and then I lowered it very slowly. I then finished the workout with calf raises and the sus machine. Remember to train hard, and don't forget to follow for more, because
this is what 15% body fat actually looks like. Most people underestimate the amount of fat they have to lose. The average person needs to lose over 20 pounds to get in shape, and would probably need to diet for up to 6 months to see their abs. If it was quick and easy, everyone would be shredded.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
Suck me, fuck me, I'm the ice cream man. Eat you chunky monkey. She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me, I'm the ice cream man.
Your chest won't grow unless your back does. The back muscles support and stabilize push movements, works in synergy with your chest and shoulder muscles to increase force generation, and counters muscle imbalances. Strengthening your back is a prerequisite to building an impressive chest. Have you ever seen a bodybuilder with a huge chest and small back?